For anyone who's just getting started and looking to establish themselves, you need to position yourself in the market. And this is the best way to do it, because you can be the best version of you, and you can help make a difference and impact in someone directly that you're looking to attract by doing exactly this. The other day, I was talking with one of my clients named Kevin, who's a financial advisor who is looking to start a financial coaching business. And so we laid out the foundation, the operations and things like that. And Kevin is struggling with confidence. So I had given him some advice on how to attract his ideal client. A lot of people are looking to emulate someone, and I think that it's great to look to see what works, but there's nothing more pure than showing up as yourself. And I told Kevin that if he wants to build confidence, then he needs to get more comfortable in his own skin. And he needs to also present and give value to the market, to the people specifically that can benefit from what it is that he has to offer. And so what I told Kevin to do was to take 7 days and record a video every day giving advice to someone who is struggling that he can help, and literally listing out topics that they're struggling with, most likely that he resolves. And I told him to give some scenarios, or to say, hey, for anyone struggling with blank, or someone who's looking to do this, give that advice. And he said, I would charge people for that. But I said, that's the whole point. You want to give people value that leads them in, that grabs their attention, and that they can take away and emulate. So that way, when they use your advice and they say it works, they're gonna now hit you up for more advice on how to master it or how to get help. And that's gonna lead them to your DM. Don't worry about the likes. Don't worry about who's watching your story. Worry about who's hitting you up and engaging you. And the best way to do that is by adding value to them directly to resolve their problems. So list out those problems for the week, for the 7 days of things you're gonna talk about. And if you're nervous about social media, you're gonna get distracted, I told him to do this. Let's stop looking at comments. Let's stop looking at anything. I told him go on Meta Business Suite and literally go and schedule it. Go on YouTube Studio and schedule it. And that way you don't have to bother. And I don't want you to look at any of the things, the comments. You'll see DMs, and that's the only thing I want you to pay attention to. Don't focus on the stats. And I think that's what a lot of businesses get tripped up on, is paying attention to the stats over the value and the actions that matter, that is going to make the difference. If you found value in this video, make sure you comment below and make sure you subscribe so you can see more. Thank you for watching. Create, build, sustain all you do. It's your boy Vince. Peace.